Here are the basic rules of the MBS trading system to help you get started and understand the process, as well as test indicators, the trading panel and trading signals online. You can download all the tools for free using the link in the description via Telegram bot. The strategy is based on 3 time frames. The H4 time frame defines the main market direction and acts as a trading zone. We use a trend indicator and a reversal levels indicator on this time frame. In this example, it's a buy zone aligned with the trend. The H1 time frame is used to identify the key trading level. In this example, we see a retest pattern at the level. A pattern is simply how price behaves around a level, and we cover this in detail in our free training sessions for users of our tools. You can enable H4 levels on the chart using a button on the indicator. The retest pattern on the hourly time frame also suggests a buy, but now we need confirmation on a lower time frame. So we switch to the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart is the main execution time frame where trading decisions are made. When the pattern is activated, the indicator highlights the level, giving us a clue. Before entering a trade, we analyze how price behaves around that level, both before and during the retest. On the M5 time frame, we were in a buy trend when the retest began. It's a bad idea to enter immediately, because no trend lasts forever. It could be the end of it. The shift into a sell trend was accompanied by increased volatility. This could have been a big player entering the market or just manipulation. So, the trend returned to buys, and the trend indicator confirmed this. A 2 indicates strong trend strength, which is great because it means a big player, in this case buyer, is present. Now we just need to wait for an entry point. You can find these setups yourself using the reversal levels indicator and, of course, your knowledge. To make things easier, we generate trading signals and send alerts to the trading panel and Telegram bot. This particular trade was taken based on such a signal. A trading signal appears when a favorable market situation is detected. It's not a command to open a trade, it's just a heads up. When a signal appears, you'll see a flag or a yellow mark at the level. Sometimes the signal differs from the entry point, but more often you need to wait for confirmation. So, in our example, the first signal came with a flag. At that point, my stop loss was too far away to make it worth entering the trade. A second signal appeared a few candles later, showing that the price was getting close to the trading level. Then, finally, I got an entry signal from the trend indicator. This happened during a pullback and was marked in gray as a less optimal entry. I only enter trades in the direction of the trend. The stop loss goes behind the most recent low. This is where the last big buyer entered, and that's the person I'm trading with. To calculate position size, I use the trading panel. The recommended risk is 1% of your account per trade. The panel shows how the trade will look and lets you close partially or fully with one click. When the entry signal appeared, a new low had formed, giving me a much better entry condition. So, after I partially closed the trade, I didn't move the stop loss to break even. Here's what could have happened if I did. The goal for a beginner trader is to close trades at a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. By following the MBS trading system rules, up to 20% of trades can reach a 1-to-2 ratio with an 80% probability. I chose my target as the H4 high and the touch of the H1 sell level. This trade is not average, it's more like a bonus, a reward for patience and discipline. Summary: by following the trading system rules, using indicators, signals, and a trading panel to save time, plus a bit of patience, you can achieve trades with a 1-to-20 ratio. And this is not fantasy. Like the video or dislike and leave a comment. It motivates me to create more useful content. You'll find more examples in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description.